The Matsui SMGL3 series portable grinders are engineered with features to enhance productivity. The SMGL3 low-speed grinders consistently produce uniform-sized cuts with minimal dust, using less energy and less space with less noise. A larger knife area paired with a smaller motor means higher production with less energy consumption. Sharp, hardened steel knives improve cutting and last longer. Dusting and cutting errors are reduced and regrind flows consistently into production with fewer rejects. The SMGL3 is equipped with 3 limit switches and an emergency shutoff button. It also includes an integrated thermostat with overheat prevention. A powerful chute magnet captures metal, protects cutting blades, and reduces part damage. The SMGL3 has a compact design. It can be completely cleaned from one side of the grinder. Casters at the bottom of the unit make it easy to move around. Cleaning between material and color changes are easy and convenient. There are no screens to wear out or replace. The Matsui SMGL3 series grinders are packed with features that enhance productivity, quality, and safety.